Good day to all my viewers. Once again, I'm glad to be back out of sunny South Africa, KZN, Natal, South Coast. Yeah, today is a very windy day here on the coast. You can see these beautiful bamboo palms rocking in the wind. So, yeah, I don't think there's going to be any fishing from my side today. I thought of maybe going late afternoon to one of the lagoons and do some lagoon fishing. That's usually when I'm finished with all my chores and my work. As I said in one of my previous videos, I'm a landscaper. I studied horticulture. Yeah, so I'll still give you guys a few tips on gardening as well, and I'll share some of our local plants and trees with you guys and girls. At least I've got a little bit of knowledge of the plants. Yeah, but yeah, what I might do today, late afternoon, we have to eat dinner at night, so I might share one of my fish recipes. Yeah, we caught some nice deep sea fish, bottom fish, about 2 weeks ago out on the deep sea with a boat. So I think I should cook one of them tonight, show you my recipe. Once again, I'm gonna cook it on the Weber. We South Africans love our braais. But let's see how the day goes. Thanks for watching my short video. Bye-bye.